Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about oxo acids of group 15 elements. Then what do you mean by an oxo acids? Oxo acids are the acids in which ionizable hydrogen atoms are joined to the central atom via oxygen atoms. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony form a number of oxo acids, and as well do sulfur, selenium and tellurium in group 16 and chlorine, bromine and iodine in group 17. An element forms a number of oxo acids in different oxidation state. Then how do you name them? The acids in which the central atom is in the lower oxidation state are known as acids, while those having central atom in the higher oxidation state are known as ic acids. The oxo acids containing halogens in their highest oxidation state are known as peracids. In hypo and hypoic acids, the oxidation state of the central atom is lower than that in us and ic acids correspondingly. The prefixes ortho, meta and pyro are employed to differentiate acids differing in the content of water. The most highly hydroxylated acid of the element in a specific oxidation state is known as the ortho acid. The acid that consists of one water molecule less than the ortho acid is known as meta acid. The pyro acid corresponds to the loss of one water molecule between the two molecules of the ortho acid. In group 15, nitrogen and phosphorus forms several oxo acids. Arsenic forms the oxo acids arsenious acid and arsenic acid. Very little is known about the oxo acids of antimony. The oxo acids of bismuth are also not known, but well-defined salts of antimony and bismuth are obtained. Now we can discuss the oxo acids of nitrogen in detail. Nitrogen forms a number of oxo acids. Most of them are recognized only in the aqueous solutions or as their salts. Mainly, there are three oxo acids: hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid and nitric acid. Firstly, hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid is a chemical compound with formula H2N2O2. It is a weak dibasic acid with a pKa1 value is 7.21 and pKa2 value is 11.54. Hyponitrous acid forms two series of salts, the hyponitrates containing N2O2 2- anion and the acid hyponitrates containing HN2O2- anion. Here, trans and cis structures are possible for hyponitrous acid. Trans isomer is more kinetically stable. Nitrogen is in the +1 oxidation state and oxygen nitrogen bond angle is 120 degree. Another oxo acids of nitrogen is nitrous acid. Nitrous acid with the molecular formula HNO2 is a weak and monoprotic acid known only in solution in the gas phase and in the form of nitrate salt. Aqueous solution of nitrous acid are unstable and decomposes into nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide and water. It yields one series of salts, the nitrites. In the gas phase of nitrous acid, the planar nitrous acid molecule can adopt both a cis and a trans form. The trans form predominates at room temperature. Here, nitrogen is in the +3 oxidation state. Another oxo acids of nitrogen is nitric acid. Here, nitrogen is in the +5 oxidation state. It is a monobasic strong acid. It yields one series of salt, the nitrates. It is a planar molecule. This is the structure of nitric acid. Here, the bond angle and bond length are shown. There are different types of bond angles and bond length. Firstly, oxygen double bond N bond angle is 130 degree. oxygen double bond NOH bond angle is 116 degree. Oxygen single bond nitrogen OH bond angle is 114 degree. NOH bond angle is 102 degree. N double bond O bond length is 121 picometer. NOH bond length is 141 picometer. Next we can discuss the oxo acids of phosphorus. Phosphorus is known to form a number of oxo acids with phosphorus in the +1, +3 and +5 oxidation states. These are ortho acid with molecular formula H3PON where N is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meta acids H3P2ON molecular formula where N is 3 or 4. Diacids with molecular formula H4P2ON where N is 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Polyphosphoric acid with molecular formula HN plus 2 PNO 3N plus 1 where N is 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 with 3 or more phosphorus atoms per molecule. In oxo acids of phosphorus, it is tetrahedrally surrounded by other atoms. All these acids are known to form at least one P double bond O bond and one POH bond. The pH bonds in oxo acids cannot go through ionization to give H plus ions, whereas the hydrogen atoms which are attached with oxygen in POH form are ionizable. Only the hydrogen atoms attached with oxygen cause basicity. For example, hypophosphorus acid is monobasic acid due to the presence of one POH bond. Phosphorus acid is dibasic due to the presence of two POH bonds, whereas phosphoric acid is tribasic due to the presence of three POH bonds. Oxo acids of phosphorus having pH bonds have strong reducing properties. For example, hypophosphorus acid containing two phosphorus hydrogen bonds acts as a good reducing agent. Phosphorus or phosphorus hydrogen bonds are also found in addition to phosphorus oxygen double bonds and phosphorus OH bonds in oxo acids of phosphorus where the oxidation state of phosphorus is less than +5. These acids are generally seen to disproportionate to either lower and higher oxidation state. For example, when phosphorus acid is heated, it gives phosphine and phosphoric acid. The oxo acids of phosphorus include hypophosphorus acid or phosphinic acid with the molecular formula H3PO2. Here, phosphorus is in the +1 oxidation state. It is having one PO double bond, one POH bond and two phosphorus hydrogen bonds. One POH bond shows it is a monobasic acid. Two PH bond shows strong reducing tendency. Hypophosphorus acid forms one series of salt phosphinates or hypophosphites. It is moderately strong acid in aqueous solution. Its pKa value is 1.24. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is orthophosphorus acid or phosphonic acid with molecular formula H3PO3. Here, phosphorus atom is in the +3 oxidation state. It is having two POH bonds which shows dibasic acid in nature. One pH bond which shows reducing tendency less than hypophosphorus acid and one PO double bond. Orthophosphorus acid forms two series of salts, hydrogen phosphonates and phosphonates. It is a weaker acid than hypophosphorus acid. It has pKa1 is 2 and pKa2 value is 6.59. It shows that in aqueous solution, phosphonic acid is not a very strong acid. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is orthophosphoric acid with the molecular formula H3PO4. It has oxidation state +5 having 1 phosphorus oxygen double bond, 3 phosphorus OH bonds, hence it is a tribasic acid. Orthophosphoric acid forms 3 series of salts, dihydrogen phosphates, hydrogen phosphates and phosphates. It is slightly weaker acid than phosphorus acid. In aqueous solution, the ionization of phosphoric acid in 3 steps, it has pKa1 is 2.21, pKa2 is 7.21 and pKa3 is 12.67. So, phosphoric acid is not a particularly strong acid. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is hypophosphoric acid and its molecular formula is H4P2O6. It has oxidation state +4 having 2 PO double bonds and 1 phosphorus bond and 4 phosphorus OH bonds, and it shows tetrabasic acid. In aqueous solution, the ionization of hypophosphoric acid in 4 steps. It has pKa1 value is 2.2 and pKa2 value is 2.8, pKa3 value is 7.3 and pKa4 value is 10. The pKa value shows that it is not a strong acid. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is diphosphoric acid or pyrophosphoric acid with the molecular formula H4P2O7. Here the phosphorus is in the oxidation state +5 and the molecule having 2 phosphorus oxygen double bonds, 4 phosphorus OH bonds and 1 POP bond. Here 4 phosphorus OH bonds indicates that it is a tetrabasic acid. Since there are 4 ionizable hydrogen atoms, the basicity is 4. Here the pKa1 value is 0.85, pKa2 is 1.49, pKa3 value is 5.77 and pKa4 value is 8.22. When one water molecule is eliminating from orthophosphoric acid, we will get metaphosphoric acid. When 2 orthophosphoric acid molecules condensed and eliminating one water molecule, we will get diphosphoric acid. When 2 molecules of phosphorus acid condensed and eliminating one water molecule, we will get pyrophosphorus acid. The structures of phosphorus acid and hypophosphorus acids are similar. There is only a small difference. In phosphorus acid, one more oxygen atom is present than that of hypophosphorus acid. The next oxo acids of phosphorus is metaphosphoric acid with the general formula HPO3N times, where N denoted the number of phosphoric acid units present in the ring with N being greater or equal to 3. These acids are actually the phosphoric acid units bonded together in rings, that is cyclic structures, and hence forming metaphosphoric acid molecules. In metaphosphoric acids, each phosphorus has an oxidation state of +5. For example, trimetaphosphoric acid. Here N is equal to 3. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is triphosphoric acid with the molecular formula H5P3O10. It is also known as tripolyphosphoric acid, and it is a condensed form of phosphoric acid. The basicity of triphosphoric acid is 5 since there are 5 ionizable hydrogen atoms. it has pKa 1 value is less than 0, pKa 2 value is 0.89, pKa 3 value is 4.09, pKa 4 value is 6.98, pKa 5 value is 9.93. pKa values indicates that it is a strong acid. Another oxo acids of phosphorus is polymetaphosphoric acid. Here the phosphorus atom is in the plus 5 oxidation state. It is a polymorphic chain also known as glacial phosphoric acid. Today we have discussed about oxo acids of group 15 elements. In the next part we will discuss about structure, properties, preparation and uses of ammonia. Thank you.